Come on. Get your hands up. Put your hands up. Put your hands up. Put your hands up over there. Put your hands up. Search him, man. Search him. Search him. I got him.
You got the right to remain fucking silent. No. Man, what the fuck? Spread your legs. If you got the drugs. You got drugs, anything in your that slice me up? Fat boy?
Mark, buddy.
Nah, man.
Fuck y'all. Fuck y'all.
Fuck us.
Cuff him.
Fuck us.
Fuck y'all.
Fuck us.
Fuck y'all.
Man, fuck us. That's why you going to jail tonight. It's gonna be some cold sandwiches.
Whatever.
Have fun, boy.
I'll be out.
Have fun.
PTA.
PTA?
You coming with us? We about to question. Who killed that kid in the alleyway the other day? Smashed him up with the wrench.
Getting killed.
I know you know.
I got him.
I know. Go ahead.
Hold my piece. I got it.
Interrogate his
I got
ass.
it. No, I got it. Catch this. Catch this. I got it.
Chill, man. What y'all trying to do, yo? Y'all on some crooked shit.
I got it.
Y'all on some crooked shit, son.
That's what I'm saying. We want to know what's really going on out here.
Come on, man. Y'all.
We gotta take it to these measurements.
Yo, what's this?
We gotta fucking take it to these measurements.
this?
Cause y'all forced us,
What's
the
that?
good guys.
Money?
We come paraphernalia.
You ain't going nowhere now, buddy.
The money was mine. You just took that bag out of your boot.
Yeah,
You
right,
hit.
man. Get up out of here, man. You coming with us? Come on.
Whatever. Fuck.
Let's go on it. What do you know? I need some info right now, man. We gotta take this guy down. I know you know who did it, and I know you know what's really fucking going down in the hood, and you the person to ask.
I don't really know.
That we didn't beat you down because we know you got information.
Yo, look at this, man. It's like
I'm not gonna hold my partner. It's crazy,
Yo,
man. He's crazy.
What's going on,
He's real
man?
crazy, man. I'm not gonna hold
We
him
want
back.
answers right now.
I don't know no
What do you know about this?
I don't know
this
nothing
homicide?
about that
What
shit.
do you know about
You
this?
got a bag of trees on you already, which is hard, man.
Taser. You think we playing fat?
We want answers.
Fat boy?
We want
We need some answers right now.
Give us some answers.
Fuck y'all niggas. I ain't got shit.
Come on, fat boy. Talk, fat boy. I know
Fuck
you know
y'all
something.
niggas, man.
I know you know
Fuck
something.
you too.
Fuck me. Fuck me.
Man, we could be here all day. We could be here all day.
It was rusty, man. It was rusty,
All right,
right?
now we
It was
talking.
fucking rusty, man.
Rusty?
Rusty Tooth, all right. So speak up. What you did, man?
I say I don't like you
Man,
anyway.
rusty
I don't
man.
like you anyway.
I just told you it was rusty, man. What the fuck you want from me, nigga?
We want some real answers.
That's
We want
it.
more
answers.
We need some more answers. What about Roscoe? What do you know about Roscoe?
Man, Roscoe,
I know you know Roscoe.
man. Roscoe left here.
We got pictures of you dealing with Roscoe.
Roscoe
We know what's
Florida,
really
man.
going down.
Tell us who killed the dude. Who killed him?
I told you already.
Rusty
Say,
Tooth.
we got a good idea. Want to tell you, we got you on the scene. We got your fingerprints on that.
I ain't my fingerprint.
Want to tell you, we'll let Judge deal with it.
Yeah, that's
Fuck it.
real good.
I told you already what I know, but I ain't
I'm
enough.
ready for a cold sandwich and a cold shower. Have a good night. I'm out of here.
Good night, man.